Here is example 2 of using the law of sines. What we're giving you is an angle side angle triangle, and we want you to find the missing two sides and angle of this triangle. So step 1 is we want to find angle B. So we're going to use the triangle sum there. So angle B is found by the 180-degree triangle sum rule, where we take angle A, which is 50 degrees, and subtract it, and then angle C, which is 33.5 degrees. Type it into your calculator, and what you get is 96.5 degrees. Like the previous example, I suggest that you label that in your triangle. So we found our first missing piece. We'll continue on. We're going to use the law of sines now to find the missing sides. So let's start with finding side A. So our proportion, the sine of angle A over side A equals the sine of B over B. Why we had to choose B is because we know that pair. We know big B and little b. So let's go ahead and substitute in now. So the sine of angle A, which is 50 degrees, over side A equals the sine of B, 96.5 degrees, over little b. All right, we're ready to go ahead and cross multiply and undo. So 76 times the sine of 50 degrees equals A times the sine of 96.5 degrees. Now we're ready to undo, so we're going to divide both sides by the sine of 96.5 degrees. Again, feel free to pause this video, rewind the video. When we're done, we substitute in our calculator and we get A to be about 58.6 units. So again, go back up into your triangle and label that length, 58.6. All right, one more piece to find. We need to find side C. So we're going to use the law of sines again. Little c and big C. And I'm just going to stick with big B and little b and set up that proportion. So here we go. I'm going to extend that page. Erase it here. All righty, so here we go. So the sine of big B over little b equals the sine of big C over little c. Sub in what you know. Angle B, 96.5 degrees. Little b, 76. Right side, the sine of angle C is 33.5 degrees over little c, which we want to find. So go ahead and cross multiply and undo. So C times the sine of 96.5 degrees equals 76 times the sine of 33.5. Now ready to undo. We want to isolate that C. So we divide both sides by the sine of 96.5 degrees. Substitute it into our calculator, and that side length C is about 42.2 units. We finished now our second video of the law of sines. You'll want to go to Schoology. We have shortened all of our assignments to make it more doable with this type of learning. Again, feel free to reach out to me if you have questions. Good luck and have fun.